Hey guys, this is Kyle over at Elite Edge Gym, and today I'm going to talk to you about one of the staple advanced options that we use on our upper body strength days. This is going to be all about the incline press. Now, as you can see, I have a bench press that is set up at right exactly a 45-degree incline. That's the amount that you want your bench set up in order to perform a proper incline press. Now, my first coaching cue for you is actually going to be related to the weight on this exercise. Most people are going to be able to incline press about 75% of what they can max on a bench press. Some people might be able to do more, some people might be only able to do a little bit less than that, okay? But you're going to want to plan on them using a fair amount less weight on an incline press than they would be able to on a flat bench press, okay? Now, when I set up for an incline press, I'm going to keep my shoulders together and my lats pulled tight, same as I would with a bench press, okay? Obviously, the pressing angle here is going to be different because we're pressing in an incline position. So I'm going to touch the bar, and this is going to be my next cue for you, higher on our chest, okay? So when I set up, I'm going to set my hand spacing wherever I would normally feel comfortable. I'm going to unwrap that bar. From here, I am going to touch higher on my chest. I'm going to press straight on up, right like so, finishing above my shoulders. Elbows, as is usually the case, are going to stay tucked in line with my wrists. I want to make certain to do that, and I'm really going to focus on being nice and explosive coming off of our chest, okay? Guys, give those coaching cues a try the next time that we are doing an incline press on our upper body strength day.